Hello, welcome to Cat Gamer Factory. Our factory locates in Panyu, Guangzhou. Area is around 3,000 square meters. We manufacture slot machine and arcade machine. Let's come with me to check it out. Plate lifter, laser cutting machine, controlled by the computer system. Embossing machine, tools mounting, punching the tools inside to install the tool. Reed pressing, bending, we have 4 bending machines to bend plates in different specifications. Welding and assembling. Polish the surface, especially the bends. Check our works, how beautiful! Cabinets after painting. Full soft package. Finished products ready to ship.